There's a countdown it's on.
No, it's on now.
Alright.
This is the... What sort of chilies are they?
Well, our channel's called FreeHugsChallenges, and we're going to be doing just a list of different challenges each week. And this one that we've got today is called the Bird's Eye Kenyan Challenge. We have here 6 Bird's Eye chilies. Actually, I shall show you. 6 of these. That's 3 each. So, just to prove, that's the packet there. And these measure between 50,000 and 100,000 on the chili scale. So what we're going to be doing today is going to be eating one, and after a minute we'll be eating the second one, and then after another minute the third one, and whoever takes a drink of the water first loses, and the other person gains a point, and that will go on through the weeks. And yeah, so let's just get this started. So select your chili. Jack. This is Jack, by the way, for everyone that doesn't know. I'll take the big one first. In fact, no, I won't. I'll save that for last. Okay, so right to the end.
Right, starting the timer now. Number 2. What?
Got a minute.
I've got a minute. Oh, that's hot.
You don't want to eat that one?
Oh, I think it's probably worse the quicker you eat them. Oh, that's hot.
Do you want a drink of that water?
No, I'm alright. Do you want a drink?
Aye. Thought I'm not going to.
Nah, that's taking a bit long. Let's make it 45 seconds.
Okay, ready? 3,
2, 1. Chili number 2, go. Oh, it tastes horrible. Oh, it tastes like you're trying to eat a tree. Oh. Right, the next one. Oh, I got 10 seconds to eat the next one. Oh my god, I can't breathe.
If you haven't seen, my next one is this size.
My next one, this size. Oh, right, 3, 2, I can't read. 3, 2, 1, go.
I got to write that up out of 2. I was
My tongue's gone numb.
I was sleeping all over the place.
My tongue's on fire. Oh my god, so hot.
You got the temple of doom tomorrow morning. How long have we got left?
It's been 2 minutes.
Do you want a drink?
No, I'm ready. Oh.
Right, well, we've eaten all the chilies, so
I'm sweating.
do you want to call us even? We get a point each.
Hi.
Point each.
God. My eyes are watering. Oh, yeah, you lose height.
They're quite hot, aren't they? You didn't think they were going to be that hot?
My tongue's gone numb. I can't hit me. My tongue's gone numb.
It's just all the back of my throat. Well guys, we'll leave a link to the Solvic scale, which is the heat scale for these chilies.
All 6 chilies away.
In a comment below.
I'll be at my someone.
So thanks for watching episode 1 guys, and stay tuned for more challenges for FreeHugsChallenges. See you later guys.